Are you aware that Synindra is gradually gaining global acceptance and popularity? In this video, I'm going to quickly share something that should give you a rethink about this particular project and reshape your mind and then position you for a constructive, alignment that will transform your financial life. And this is not a hype. This is simply from the mere facts that are, coming up. And I'm also going to be sharing with you one step that the Sidra team just made yesterday that has transformed and even made them to be trending today on X. And that singular decision, that singular decisive action has transformed a lot, and it has increased the value of Sidra tokens that you might be having, and it has increased the potential profit or that you will make from this particular project. So this video is going to be very, very interesting and sweet to anybody participating in this project, and that is why I want to implore you, make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the end so that you understand every single thing that I'm about to share with you. And if you are not yet participating in the Sidra project, don't waste time. Make sure that you go to the comment section of this video. You're going to see a link. Start up immediately and don't joke with it. Or if you don't want to mine, if you have some spare money that you have kept somewhere and you are not making use of it, you can use it to buy some Sidra tokens and then hold and then wait for the listing, because this project will definitely be a banger. It is, in fact, it is going to transform lives. Like I said, this is not a hype of any type. Well, that's that. And please, anytime you watch a video like this on my channel, please kindly leave a like, leave a comment to support us. It encourages and gingers me to keep on looking out for more information that will be helpful to you, be helpful to the community, and to help us grow our financial lives together. So first thing I'm going to talk with you is the Sidra KYC. Many of you feel that the KYC is too tedious, it is too stressful, and they have positioned in such a way that it is a certain set of people that they want the KYC to work for, and then it is not going around. And some of you even think that only few people have done the KYC. Let me shock you in this video, that is not true. Why do I say so? If you come here, you can see clearly from this screenshot right here that about over 10 million, let me say over 10 million users have already completed their KYC. They are KYC verified. So a lot of people, that is 10 million people. 10 million people, that is the population. I think it should be more than the population of Israel. It should be more than the population of so many other countries around the world. So which means that they are actually building a huge community. And me mentioning Israel, don't feel that I'm being partial. No, actually Israel is one of my most loved country, and it is part of the Middle East country. I call Synindra the Middle East oil money. Well, that's that. I don't know how you are positioning for the Middle East oil money. Now, over 10 million people have already done their KYC, and you can still do your own right now. So I know it is more tedious because you are paying money. I've been sharing it in my community, and I keep saying it. If you have not done your KYC, when I say like this, some of you will go and start commenting on the comment section of this video that you want to do your KYC. If you do like that, I might not attend to you. So the best way I will attend to you is go to the comment section of this video or the description section. These two places, you are going to see a link to my Telegram channel. Click on it and go and join my Telegram channel. Comment on my Telegram channel, not on YouTube. Comment on my Telegram channel that you want to complete your KYC, and then I'm going to guide you there. I'm going to guide you. I'll only guide you on Telegram. Now, once you are there, you already know that we are going to pay money to do your KYC. And in my community, I've been guiding a lot of people do their KYC, and you only pay 2,000 naira in my own currency, and that 2,000 naira is not up to $2. It's not up to $2, so it's a very small. Some people charges up to 4,000, some people charges up to 7,000 to do that same KYC. But this one, what we are charging in our community, you will not see it anywhere, and it is not a joke, it's not a lie, it's not a hype. Now that number has done that, and you can do yours. And then if you come right here, look at this. Out of that global reach of the Synindra has globally reached about 180 countries. This is massive, which indirectly means that Synindra is already covering almost the entire world. I know you might not be aware, but the question is, how many countries do we have around the world? I know you might not be aware. Let me give you those statistics. According to the United Nations countries registration list, we have 180 93 countries around the world. This excludes Vatican City, it excludes Palestine, it excludes Taiwan, and it also excludes Kosovo. So that, because they are not yet being regarded as member states at the United Nations. So but the United Nations recognizes about 193 countries, and out of that 193, Synindra has already covered 100 and over 180. That is probably, if we are just to take the, remember it's 180 plus right here, if you just assume that it has covered 180, that means that only about 13 countries that Synindra has not yet entered. So it is, and I've been sharing you that Synindra is planning to operate like an Islamic global financial institution. So it is not just going to be like your ordinary cryptocurrency that you know. It is going to operate more beyond that. It is going to operate way beyond that. So they are building so much. Now coming back to the sweet news that they shared, what is it that you need to know? If you come over to X, you might have seen this. You might have seen Sidra, and then Sidra Chain, and then you are seeing flames, and then you can see a whooping 120 million Sidra SDA burnt. Oh my God, it's sweet news. Many of you might not understand. Why is it a sweet news? Now let me show you something. If you come here, this is the Sidra Chain official X account. Look at what they posted 23 hours ago, and they said this year alone, total amount, that is the 4.8 billion, that is 4,827,582,836 SDA. That is the market cap of the Synindra. That is the total amount of Synindra tokens we have. And out of this year alone, Synindra has burned about 120 million of that market cap. So which means that you are going to calculate and that market and that 120 million is 2.5%. If you calculate 2.5% of this total billion, you are going to get this. So which means that they have burnt this. What does burning means? I keep saying it in different projects. Burning simply means destroying that amount of tokens. That is, those amount of tokens are gone in circulation. They are not going to be part of those coins that are going to be listed. So which, as they have burnt that 120 million, that amount has reduced the total supply of the SDA, which now means that your value, if you had one Synindra and it is worth $1 before, by this burning, the supply has reduced, and because the supply has reduced, it will automatically create scarcity, which therefore anytime there is scarcity, the price of that thing will increase, which therefore means that as there is an increase in scarcity of SDA, the price of that one SDA is increasing. Is that not sweet news? Aside the fact that it is globally currently going global and being accepted by most countries, and then aside that, many people are not mining. Oh my God, are you joking? Are you still joking with Synindra? Oh guys, well, that's the quick update I wanted to quickly share with you in this particular video. Don't joke with this project. So that will be all for now. Thank you so much. And please, before I go, if you are new into my YouTube channel, or if you are not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, consider hitting the subscription button, also turning on the notification bell, so that you always get notified whenever I upload new videos. So thank you so much. See you in my next video.